Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to check spelling in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so here you can see that I have these four words here, and to check basically the spelling here, you will select all of these four words and then you will go into this review tab here, and at the start you can see this option where it says spelling. So when you click on this, Excel will basically check all these four words, and if there is any kind of spelling mistake, so it will basically tell you. So you will just click on this spelling here, and now here you can see that it says that this word is basically not a right word here. Basically the right word is mankind. Okay, so now if you want, you can basically ignore this, or if you want, you can basically tap on change here, and now you can see that we have this mankind set. And the next one is neighbor. So the spelling of neighbor is not right here. So here it is showing the right spelling. Tap on this change and it is changed as well, and here it says that spell check complete, you are good to go. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.